Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 XL. Unleash power, embrace comfort, drive the 2019 Ford F-150 XL today. This Ford has less than 83,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the formidable 2019 Ford F-150 XL, a truck with unmatched power and style. Its 5.0L flex fuel V8 engine delivers a staggering 395 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque, making light work of any towing task. Packed with factory default features like a rear-view camera, automatic headlights, and Bluetooth connectivity, it ensures convenience and safety on the road. Finished in striking Oxford white with a cozy medium earth gray cloth interior, this truck offers both rugged durability and comfort. Plus, with a clean Carfax report, you can trust its impeccable condition. Don't miss your chance to experience the thrill of driving this beast. Visit us today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, stability control, traction control, and trailer hitch.